I'm in front of my half-size workshop. For those of you who follow the channel, you know that I took my garage, I cut it in half. The top is storage, the back half is a state-of-the-art gym, at least for a home, and the front half is my workshop. I'm about to get a shed in the back for holding my bikes because I've run out of space. Before I go any further, you're going to hear noise in the background. I can't do much about it. There's an exhaust fan that's running in my garage. It's so hot in New York. I should have put some bug spray on. You might see me come out here with a can of Raid in a moment to spray around here. You know, don't think I'm going crazy. It's that hot. Before I open this box, you can probably tell already what it is. It's the Naxeon. Before we go any further, I purchased this with my own money. I've gotten a lot of e-bikes for review, but I've not got an e-motorcycle. And this time around, I decided I wanted this. Behind here, I've got my Honda Rebel 500 SC, and next to it, I've got my e-moto Knight M1 PS. So I've looked around the internet as I decided what bike I wanted to buy. I saw this and I saw the Rivet Anthem. Rivet Anthem has a more conventional motorcycle look, which I really kind of didn't want for an electric bike. I wanted something different. And also the technology in this thing is crazy. This is the I AM Pro, not the I Am. Continuing to look around the internet, a lot of videos popping up, but nobody did an unboxing. So we're not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna go from here and we're gonna unbox this. It'll be a time lapse most likely. And at least you get to see, this is how it comes. It's a massive box. Came with one of those big lifts that the guy had to jack up like you see for the heavy crates. It's very heavy. I think the bike alone is over 300 pounds with the pack and everything. I don't know, 400 and something pounds. It's a big box. If I take a tape measure to it, it is about 76 inches long. It is 30 inches wide, and it is, well, this is a raised here, right? So from the ground, it's 48 inches high. From the bottom of the box, it's about 42. So here we go. We'll start the time-lapse video and just sit back and relax as what I think is likely, or at least what I've seen, the first ever unboxing of a Naxeon I AM, which is I AM Pro video. Maybe there are more out there. I haven't seen them. All right, guys, so I'm back. Naxeon I AM Pro. Really wish someone had done an unboxing video and shown me some tricks before. Probably an easier job with two people. It's a heavy bike. It's not as heavy as you can see back there in my Honda Rebel 500, but as you can see, I have a knee in a brace that's about to undergo surgery, and this is a replaced knee. As I said, I probably should have asked someone for help. I believe these plug in the sides. I guess this should be this one. You have to actually screw it down and screw it in. I just wanted to put one on to show you, so that at least when the video ended, you have an idea that I completed the bike. But most of it was easy. In the end there's probably some parts of the video I took out too, because I was probably a little embarrassed trying to get this is the right side, yes. Probably a little embarrassed trying to get this onto the bike, and having it be so difficult. The more difficult it was, number one, because I don't read instructions, and if I had taken out the instructions and read them, that probably would have been 1, 2, 3. But who does that, right? Not me. No, I've got to do it the hard way. So I think these, I don't even know if these go in. I know they go in the side, but I don't even know how they go in. I'm just winging my way through here. I should probably take it out before the nut falls in. Let's see. It looks like it pushes in, and then as you tighten the nut, it tightens up. Probably should put some maybe greasy stuff on it. I don't know. But that's kind of what it is, right? It has to go in all the way, so don't let me even bother you with that right now. And I certainly don't want to break them because I want them. So I'll install these later. I'll just show you the bike. Like I said, I've never seen an unboxing before. Everything is well boxed. I noticed these indicators are made, so I guess if you hit something, they flex. Even the front, the indicators flex. It's protective film on everything, even the display. Let me turn this way so you can see me pull it off. It's got 68% battery. It's in kilometers, so I'll change all of that. I may decide to stand the camera up over it and go through some settings for you later. But so many people online have done that, right? Nobody, I don't think, has ever done a raw unboxing of this bike. Many people have received this bike to test and give back, so they didn't get the bike in a box. The light, the backlight is on. They have film too now. This is the first time I'm sitting on it, front of you. Boy, it's kind of tall for my knee, but this is perfect size to me. Pull up the stand, you hear a bleep. It's in zigzag mode, so I don't want to do that. I want to put it in sail mode because I just want to show you it pull off. See that? Got a nice little torque to it. Alright, so TCS has been disabled. Why is TCS disabled? I didn't disable TCS. Let me see if I can go in there and I have to look at all the settings, right? I really don't know what the heck I'm doing right now. Navigation service not yet enabled. Front tire 2.4, I've got to change all those settings. Current driving 0. It's got video, and it shows the video camera works. It's got reverse, it's in sail mode. So this is going to be fun to see how I end up. Feels simple enough to ride, but that was just the unboxing, right? So that's it for now, folks. I'll give you a little sound of the horn. Got the indicators, the lights here. It's got the signal at the top, which is different from my Honda. I think the signal's on the bottom of my Honda. It's got all the bells and whistles that you've seen on all the other videos, but now you see an unboxing. And it came with tomorrow's date on it. It's August 7th. Today's the 6th. It's got the charge control. You see that? It's got a level 2 charger. I showed you that unboxing. Display brightness, theme, temperature, values, tire pressure. I can switch to PSI. Kilometer to miles. I can switch that. Go back home, it should now say yes. Range 86 miles at 68% battery. It's got that sensor on, so with the kickstack down, you see I can't ride it. It's a nice sized bike. It's bigger than I wanted something, I guess. I've been looking for something like this, but maybe with the handlebars up here. Something a little more monstrous, but with my knees, I probably shouldn't even think about that, right? All right. So, hopefully I'm safe on it and all is well. Front tire pressure 34.8 psi, rear tire pressure 34.8 psi. Total mileage right now at the box 2 miles. Okay, so however they got is 2 miles. They didn't have one of the colors I wanted, but I went for this. I didn't want another black bike. I have a black bike. I actually have this color in or similar in an e-bike that you guys will see on my channel soon. And so from the 247 Tech Talk channel and what I call this half of my garage, the 247 Motor Club, hope you I can't say necessarily enjoy, but hope going through the unboxing and seeing me struggle and seeing me make mistakes and see me not follow instructions. There was one point where I closed the seat and I couldn't get it open, and I didn't read the instructions to see that the unlock is under the seat, and I was almost getting frustrated to yank it, and then I said, well, let me look at these instructions. So there we go. I don't know if I don't know how I feel about the fact that, why does it say TTS enable? I don't know how I feel about the fact that I'm used to, even though my ear holder, which is right here in front of you there, has the same thing. The ear holder, you have to press the brake before the throttle engages. I don't know if you noticed this, but I had the bike on, and when I was taking it out the box and lifting it, I picked it up by the throttle and it went, okay? So, anyway, that's all for now. Catch you again in another one. You know me, I'm a modder. I don't want to mess with the electronics of these things, but I am already seeing some opportunities, some bars here to do some maybe CNC stuff and bling it out. So, catch you soon. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Haven't seen one before, and I hope if there is one on there that the person didn't struggle quite as much as I did. Till next time.